Well, we're going to Paw Patrol Live for 2018. We went last year, going this year. We got Chase, we got Sky.
But I don't have my head on wrestling glasses.
Well, that's because you keep dropping them. Well, we're at the Fox Theater in Atlanta, and we're ready to get this party started. It's early, it's 10 o'clock, but at least we don't have to drive 2 hours. Alright, so far so good. We're at intermission. 37 minutes into the show. About $800 into the show. You having fun, Lola?
Yeah, it's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again.
Alright, so these little juices, $4 each. This bag of box of popcorn, $6. This spinning toy, $20 each. We gotta get 2 of them.
I got here before you did, and I've already dug up the treasure.